Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are into the business of home renovations and are looking to set up your marketing strategy, then do watch this video till the end. The three most powerful digital marketing strategies which we are going to discuss are SEO, PPC and social media advertisement. Let's start off with SEO first. As the term suggests, it is search engine optimization, and the idea is to rank your website at top of Google or local search engines for targeted key phrases. The process of SEO starts with finding out the most relevant key phrases which the users are typing into Google to find services related to your business. And then we try to optimize the website for those targeted key phrases. In terms of home renovations, local SEO can work wonders because you can get your website listed at top of local listings as well as map listings very soon. Here is a detailed case study wherein we helped one of our clients to generate almost 1300 leads using best SEO practices. The link for the case study also has been shared in the description box. Really want to succeed in the business of home renovations and generate more leads online, then you need to invest into internet marketing. This is the only way you're going to survive beyond your competition, and that's the only way you're going to generate more leads online. To help you understand better, we'll be discussing in detail a case study wherein we helped one of our clients offering home renovation services to stand out of competition and rank at top of Google. When we started off with this project, our first step was to analyze the website from an SEO perspective, find out what it lacks, and then try to fix that up. Then we did some diligent research in terms of competitors as well as market research and found out the most relevant key phrases for which his website should be optimized for. The idea was to find out mixed bag of keywords which were long tail but good search volumes, and keywords which were pretty competitive also, again with good search volumes. The main focus was local SEO, and we did set up his Google business profile and optimized it for further better rankings in search listings. For on-page SEO, we worked on title tags, meta tags, header tags, optimization of content, image optimization, URL fixing, and even optimized the images on the website. For link building, we used content syndication strategy, and the idea was only to get relevant backlinks from niche-based websites. Finally, our hard work paid off. His website was ranking at top of Google for quite a few search terms, and vis-a-vis we saw increase in organic traffic to the website. And due to that rise in organic traffic, the client was a happy man because he received more than 1280 plus leads for his business online. Now let's discuss the second digital marketing processes, which is PPC. In this case, we try to run paid advertisements on Google's platform called as Google AdWords. Again, the idea is to get people to the landing pages through ads. In this case, we need to find the most relevant key phrases, come up with compelling ad copies, and then link them to the landing pages. If any user clicks on the ad, you need to pay directly to Google for the click. Again, at Softrix, we have been running successful PPC campaigns for home renovation business, and here is a detailed case study wherein we helped one of our clients to generate 80 plus leads in a span of 30 days only through best PPC practice. The link for the case study also has been shared in the description box.
Our client is basically they have good experience. They are like a family owned and operated business from the last 15 years, but they didn't have much online presence, and hence they were not spending very highly on the Google AdWords. So we have sent them the plan to make sure that we are showing the ads only in the local area, and by using the local strategies we have been able to get them the leads from the very first month. And we have started with them with a specific budget at first, because they were reluctant to spend a lot of money from the very first month. But after seeing the returns that they get from Google AdWords, we have been able to get the budget up gradually from $500 to $1,000 and now to the $1,500 from the second month onwards. We will now discuss all the strategies that we follow and what are all the things that we have done in our campaign to make them successful. The main challenges that we have faced in this is the competition in that local area, their past history, the cost per conversion from them was very high, and they didn't have much online presence at all. So we have devised out a strategy wherein we have tried to focus on the branding and try to focus on bringing them the direct leads so that they are able to get their business going easily. So now the next step is how we started. So as we always do, we always start with the competitor benchmarking. We are able to see what kind of landing pages that the competitors are using and what kind of keywords that the competitors are using. So we have been able to get the relevant keywords out of those lists. So now again, so as they have very limited budget, so we have tried to go with the high intent based keywords rather than the keywords with the search volume, because at the end of the day we don't want the visitor who is very early in their research. We don't want those kind of visitors to click on our ad copy. We want the visitor who are actually looking for the service right now. Second thing was the landing page or the website which the client had. The website was not good at all. The call to actions was not there on the website, and the landing page was very weak. So we have done the competitor benchmarking. We have been able to see the competitors' landing page as well, and that's how we have been able to get some good ideas in this field on what exactly that we should be doing to bring us the quality leads. So for the complete strategy of the campaigns and how we got started, we have started with the keyword research. We have seen that there was some keywords which they were earlier using, but that didn't make any sense, and they were wasting the money. So we have done the keyword research from scratch. We have been able to get around 50 to 75 high intent keywords so that we can get the quality leads. We have written the ad copies, and then we have sent the keywords and the ad copies in a Google Doc to the client for their review, because the client know the business better than us at that stage. So they were able to give us some inputs whether the keywords or the ad copies they are relevant or not, and once that is done, we were able to get started on a right foot. Third thing was that we have been able to make sure that the landing page is from PPC perspective and it has all the call to actions. So we have been able to do that, and we were able to get them the good quality clicks to that landing page, and the leads automatically came. The fourth thing was that we have done them a video for the branding purpose, wherein they have shoot us a video of doing their work when they were in the field. They were doing some live work on any project. So we have modified or customized that video for the branding purpose using the YouTube ads. Once all this is done, we have done the optimization of the campaign by using the best PPC practices. We have made sure that the quality of the clicks that we are getting, they are relevant, and we are paying the lowest possible CPC, and of course catering the ad to the right kind of audience. We have done these things and we have been able to see the leads automatically. So now in the third month we have seen a good results from the campaign, We had the spend of almost $3,000 in the third month, and we have been able to see 80 leads in that $3,000 spend. The cost per lead seems to be around $35 to $40. So now the client did mention the fact that the quality of the leads for almost we can say around 85 to 90% of them, they have contacted them. They have been able to send them the free estimates. So the client is very happy right now.
And of course, social media marketing. Social media marketing demands your engagement with your audience and with your clientele. You need to respond to their messages and be proactive in your engagement with your prospect client. Apart from social media optimization, you can also opt to run paid advertisements on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. If you are running a successful home renovation business and are looking forward to move that business online and are looking to set up a new website, feel free to get in touch with us and we surely can help. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.